Hi everyone, I am here today to unbox the June 2020 Pup Mom crate. If you don't know what Pup Mom is, it is a wonderful subscription box for dogs and their mothers. So you get some things for your dog and then also some things for you. So again, this one is from June 2020, so I want to go ahead and open it and share everything that is in here. So, and here come all my littles. They know when something's coming in the Pup Mom crate. So the first thing is a toy. And of course this is going to be Rocky's. Okay, so Rocky wants this. So this is going to be a quick one to show you guys. It's a little hedgehog toy. Okay, Rocky, there you go, okay? Go take your toy. And there's Roo. Okay, the next thing looks like it's going to be for the mom, which would be me, and that is black currant and rose hand and body wash. Ooh, this looks really good. I love hand wash. #1 dog mom plaque. That's definitely me. I love my dogs, so they're like mini children to me. This is for the doggies. This is Pet and Shape chicken sweet potato strips. That'll be gone in about 5 minutes with them. Now let's see what else we've got. Tex-Mex chicken taco flavor. Yes, here is another face. Everybody comes when the Pup Mom crate comes. Tex-Mex chicken taco flavor chewy dog treats. Ooh. Rocky's favorite thing in the whole world is tacos. So that'll be good for him. This looks like something else for Mom. Timeless Argan Oil Pure. Okay. And then if it's anybody's birthday, they always send a happy birthday cookie. And let's see what this last thing is. Oh, it's a Frisbee. Soda Pup. It's a little Frisbee. How cute. Oh, and here's the little bottom part for the plaque. Okay. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so that was the June 2020 Pup Mom crate, and if you love Pup Mom just as much as me, you can go to pupmomcrate.com and share the love with them on Instagram at Pup Mom Crate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this.